So in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you common mistakes students make when solving quadratic equations when they reach the point where they need to apply the calculator. Okay, so basically, I'm going to solve this quadratic equation until the point where we need to apply the calculator so that I can show you how to avoid that common mistake. Okay, so I'm going to solve this using the quadratic formula, which says that x is equal to negative b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so everyone knows this formula. It's time for us to derive our a, our b, and our c. Okay, so the coefficient of x squared is a, and the coefficient of x is b, and the constant is c. So therefore, these are our constants, right? Negative 8 is c, negative 7 is b, 1 is a. The coefficient of x squared here is 1, so 1 is equal to a. So therefore, a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 7, and c is equal to negative 8. Okay. Okay, so we are now substituting our variables with their constants now, right? So therefore, x is equal to negative, right? So x is equal to negative b, right? So of which negative b is equal to negative 7. So therefore, negative 7 here plus or minus the root of b squared. B squared is negative 7. So therefore, b is negative 7. So therefore, b squared like this minus 4 times a. A is 1 times what? Times c, which c is negative 8. O over 2a. 2 times what? Times a, of which a is 1. So it's 2 times 1, right? Okay, so take note of this common mistake, right? A negative times a negative is equal to a positive. So therefore, x is equal to 7 plus or minus the root of negative 7 squared is 49, which is positive 49, right? So negative 7 squared is 49. Therefore, this negative times this negative is going to lead to a positive. So therefore, plus.
Okay, brief announcement. So me and the team of teachers behind me, we want to help you get better, be it with your mathematics. Maybe you want to get better with physics. We want to help you, but the only favor we require from you is just that little subscribe click, that 2-second click. So with that being said, let's get back into the video.
32 here, right? 4 times 1 times 8, which is 32. This negative times this negative going to lead to a positive. So therefore, we have 49 plus 32 inside the square root sign, all over 2 times 1, which is just 2, right? So we are about to reach the point where we need to apply the calculator. So stay put. So for further simplification here, we're going to end up with x is equal to 7 plus or minus root of what? 49 plus 32, which is 81. Root of 81 all over 2. So at this point now, we need to apply the calculator. So I'm about to tell you what to do and what not to do. Okay, for starters, never divide 7 by 2. Okay, never divide this 7 by 2, because this entire numerator is being divided by the denominator, right? So never say 7 divided by 2. That's the first error. Okay, the second error, never divide 81 by 2. Okay, root 81 divided by 2. Okay, this is root 81, right? Never say root 81 divided by 2, because you can see that the calculator is saying that 81 divided by 2 or under the square root sign, right? So never do that. If you say root 81 divided by 2, the calculator will be now calculating 81 divided by 2, which is 40.5, right? The calculator will be calculating the root of 40.5, right? So that would be absolutely wrong. Okay, so let me show you the correct thing to do now. We're seeing that here is saying that x is equal to 7 plus or minus root of 81 all over 2, meaning that we're going to come up with two values of x, right? So let me show you how you get the first and second value. For you to get the first value now, you see that we have 7 here, right? We're going to say 7, right? 7 plus the root of 81, right? Equal to, right? We get 16, right? Then we say 16 divided by 2. These two, we're now dividing by these two. divided by 2. Then we get 8, right? So the first value is 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. That's the first value, right? Then so for us to calculate the second value now, we are now saying that 7 minus the root of 81, which is equal to what? To negative 2, divided by these 2, right? Divided by what? By 2, equal to negative 1. Negative 1. So therefore, x is equal to 8 and negative 1, right? So keep in mind that at the first we said 7 plus root of 81 divided by 2, then we got 8, which is the first value of x. Then the second value now, 7 minus the root of 81, all divided by 2, which is negative 1. That's the second value of x. Then you'll be done.